Meet AirSelfie 2, the first HD pocket-sized flying camera ever created. So thin and light, you can use it everywhere you go. Enhance your phone with the ultimate photo and video accessory. Taking selfies becomes easier and even funnier. So revolutionary that adapts to every lifestyle. Share images on your social media has never been so quickly through the easy-to-use app. Advanced technologies and high-quality components embedded into a ultra-durable case. Create amazing memories of your best moments with AirSelfie 2. Its anti-vibration and in-flight stability systems always guarantee great video and photos. Available in 4 different colors to suit your personality. AirSelfie 2. Small is the new big.
At IDEA, we believe that the capturing process should happen seamlessly, just like the experience itself does. PITTA is the world's first transformative drone that enables true versatility in a way that you capture your experience, whether it's aerial, handheld, or mounted. PITTA transforms to your needs in a matter of seconds. The Action Cam module has 3 screw holes for universal mounting. Changing modes is quick and easy with modular design that magnetically snaps and twists to lock. Optimized for the first-time pilots across all ages, PITTA is light and small to take with you everywhere without adding extra bulk. With our vision recognition technology to target and follow users, capturing with PITTA is as easy as throwing it with a click of a button.
Our team has deployed a number of vision recognition technologies across many different sectors. We have been working days and nights for the last 1.5 years to bring the same video processing technologies to PITTA, to create a small yet powerful autonomous drone that combines all the pros of previous drones and action cameras. We have completed development and are now in need of your help to move on to the manufacturing stage to shed light on PITTA. Please join us to make PITTA a reality.
We set out to pioneer the future of robotics. We've unlocked the power of advanced mobile processors that enable us to run cutting-edge AI algorithms on it. With this technology, we created Hover Camera, which allows anyone to capture photos and video from unique perspectives. To use Hover Camera is very simple. Power it on, flip it open like this, and you can hold anywhere. When you let go, it just hovers automatically. With Hover Camera, you can take 13 megapixel photos and 4K video. we replaced a traditional gimbal with electronic image stabilization so that your shots are always steady. Hover camera is the first truly autonomous flying camera that anyone can use. And it's powered by our groundbreaking embedded AI technologies.
We built a ton of sophisticated AI algorithms into this small circuit board. It runs a powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon 2.3 GHz quad-core processor.
This enables us to run complex calculations locally without the need for a remote server.
The AI was developed in such a way that it reduces the learning curve so anyone can operate it out of the box. That's why we've designed a revolutionary user experience that centers around hovering.
Hovering is actually more difficult than just flying.
The reason it hovers so steadily is because it's running optical flow on its downward viewing camera and visual slam from the front viewing camera.
That's how it gauges its own speed and position at all times. On top of that, we're running advanced flight control algorithms at 1 kHz. It's so intelligent that it follows people automatically as they move around. It does this without GPS, but instead using real-time facial and body recognition.
This is the most compact and elegantly designed flying camera on the market. It is so small that it could easily fit into a purse.
But in order to make sure that this device is safe, we've geared it up with a suit of armor. This entire protective enclosure is made out of the most durable and lightweight carbon fiber material.
The radical design allows users to grab, throw, and catch hover camera, yet it lets just enough air to flow through without sacrificing the ability to hover or fly.
Tony and I, we both graduated from the Stanford Engineering PhD program. We have about 80+ people now and a very diverse background. We're fortunate enough to be surrounded by a team of passionate and experienced adventurers who share our vision.
We're setting new standards for aerial robotics.
Hover camera is always around, capturing those unique moments, enriching your vision of the world.
This is the Kudrone Mini Drone. It's a unique palm-sized quadcopter that captures crisp 4K image, HD 1080p, and panoramic photos. And what's more, the Kudrone pilots conveniently and effortlessly through your smartphone. With GPS and vision positioning, it will follow you wherever you go. At only 3 ounces, its compact and lightweight design allows you to take it with you anywhere. You can even set the Kudrone to follow you and track you, so you can capture that perfect ride. Infrared and sonar sensors let you fly, even indoors. Kudrone's advanced 4K camera, positioning system, and internal balancing technology combine for precision hovering. Get that perfect shot, video, or selfie every time. Take it up a notch with a 360 spin for aerial panorama photos. And the live stream technology allows for instant sharing. The Kudrone Mini Drone. Power, precision, performance.
A new generation of a portable, phone-operated drone is coming. Drone technology doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. Ever since I was a child, I've been full of curiosity. I often dreamt of flying. Now, LeveTop makes this dream possible. The LeveTop is high-tech with a solid build quality. We installed a CMOS technology used in digital cameras, meaning your pictures and videos will be sharper and more stunning than any other drones. But most important, its design is unique. Our team worked on each detail to get a perfect, well-balanced result between function and portability. Easily foldable, you can bring the LeveTop anywhere you want by naturally carrying it at your waist. Forget complicated preparations. As soon as you're ready to fly, it'll take you only one click to take off.
Using our motion control technology via your mobile, you can drive the flight path by simply tilting your phone. Just move on the right or on the left. The LeveTop is also very easy to use. Preset the LeveTop to GPS and vision position to keep you in the frame. With its intelligent flight system, enjoy full freedom of movement, while LeveTop captures the perfect shot, following and tracking your actions automatically. With LeveTop, you're free from the control stick. You can take a picture whenever you feel like it. Once you got your shot, you can edit it on your smartphone and share your own aerial footage to YouTube or Facebook instantly. With our new precision positioning technology, in one click your drone returns exactly where it took off. We're committed to making LeveTop the portable, affordable, and fun drone you finally deserve. Thanks for watching.
There are moments you want to cherish from your unique point of view. Moments you can't recreate. When you want to experience and capture the moment at the same time. When you need to unleash your camera and let it fly. Introducing Selfie, a smart autonomous flying camera that doubles as a 9mm thin phone case. It is with you at all times, ready to capture and share the perfect shot you could only dream of. Selfie takes off and hovers autonomously, operated in real time through your phone to catch the perfect shot you want. Selfie flies by itself like an invisible tripod, easily controlled by adjusting the frame with simple hand gestures. Selfie is a smart flying camera. Anything your smartphone is able to detect or process could be sent to control Selfie and enable incredible features like face and smile recognition, sweep panoramic, or even follow your movements. And of course, you can share them instantly on all your social platforms. Selfie folds to a 9mm slim design thanks to the unique motor folding mechanism, so it can easily fit comfortably in your pocket. Selfie is your point of view from a new, exciting angle. Be the first to get Selfie by supporting us on Kickstarter.
Meet Fairy, a small yet powerful pocket-sized drone that you can take anywhere you go. Thanks to its Fairy app, anyone can fly Fairy with ease. It allows you to take off and start taking photos with a single touch. The app comes with 3 flying options. Fly it by using the directional buttons, rotating dials, or even turn your phone into a motion sensing controller. Fairy's SLAM position technology uses optical flow sensors to hover steadily. Together with its 1080 HD resolution camera, Fairy is able to capture amazingly crisp videos and images. Fairy is built with a dual GPS system to accurately locate its exact position. It can return to its initial location with just a touch. What's more, Fairy can even auto-track the subject while recording. You can use controller to fly it too. With up to 16 minutes of recording time, capture your videos and photos more than any other pocket-sized drone has ever before. Portable and easy to use, let Fairy capture all your memories.